Hello everyone. This is the case study about analysis the impact of energy storage system on renewable energy integration and grid stability. Importance of renewable energy integration. Environmental benefits. The integration of renewable energy sources is crucial for reducing greenhouse gas emission and combating climate change. By incorporating renewable energy into the grid, we can decrease our reliance on fossil fuels and move towards a more sustainable energy future. Energy security. Incorporating renewable energy into the grid can also enhance energy security by diversifying our energy sources and reducing our dependence on imported fuels. This can help to stabilize energy prices and reduce the risk of supply disruptions. Economic benefits. Furthermore, integrating renewable energy sources can create new economic opportunities and jobs in the clean energy sector. This can help to sustainable economic growth and drive innovations in the energy industries. Impact of energy storage on grid stability. Grid stabilities. Energy storage has significant impact on grid stability by providing a reliable source of power during times of high demand or system failures. This helps to balance the supply and demand of electricity, ensuring a stable and resilient grid. Renewable integration. Additionally, energy storage can help to integrate renewable energy sources into the grid by storing excess energy generated during periods of low demand. This stored energy can then be used to supplement the grid during peak demands time, reducing the need for traditional fossil fuel power plants. Case study of energy storage implementation. Benefits of energy storage. Energy storage implementation has been successfully demonstrated in various case studies, showing its potential to re- showing its potentials to revolutionize the energy industry. These case studies highlight the flexibility and reliability of energy storage systems in balancing supply and demand. Battery storage in California. One example is development of battery storage system in California where they have been used to store excess solar energy during the day for use during peak hours. This has helped reduce strain on the grid and lower electricity costs for consumers. Farm is in Scotland. In another case study, a wind farm in Scotland integrated energy storage to store excess energy generated during windy periods. This stored energy was then used during calm periods, increasing the overall efficiency of the wind farm. Diverse applications of energy storage. Overall, these case studies demonstrate the diverse application and benefits of energy storage system in enhancing grid stability and efficiency. Challenge and opportunities in energy storage. Collaboration. Energy storage presents challenges such as high cost and limited efficiencies. However, it also offers opportunities to improve renewable energy integration and grid stability. Developing advanced technologies like lithium ion batteries and pumped hydro storage can help address these challenges. Collaboration between industries, governments, and research institutions is crucial for accelerating progress in energy storage. Further outlook for renewable energy integration. Advancements in technology. The further outlook for renewable energy integration appears promising as advancement in technology continue to drive down cost and increase efficiency. Government targets. Government around the world are setting ambitious targets for renewable energy adoption, which will further accelerate the integration of clean energy sources into the grid. Competitiveness. As renewable energy becomes more cost competitive with traditional fossil fuels, the transition toward clean energy future is becoming increasing feasible and attractive for both consumers and business. Thank you.